Hi friends, Namaskar, how are you all? So this video is going to be very important if you want to become a YouTuber. In this video, I am going to tell you 5 such important things. If you adopt these points, your YouTube channel will grow from 0 to millions. If you see my YouTube channel, it has grown from 0 to 9.1 million in 1 to 1.5 years. No, it is 9.1. I didn't even remember how many millions are running and how many are not running. When TikTok was closed on Instagram, I had 7 million on TikTok. So there were 100,150k followers on Instagram, and now there are 11.7 thousand. So I know that my YouTube vlog channel has 5 lakh followers. So I know how to get from here to here. All the settings that I have learned so far, all these hacks, algorithm hacking, and everything from SEO to everything, which hashtag to use, what will be the thumbnail, what will be in the title, on which topic you have to make a video, where will you get the topics. So I am going to tell you 5 such important things that I am saying with a guarantee. I am saying with a 10,000 crore% guarantee. You watched this video till the end, and you adopted all the things from this. You adopted 3 out of 5 things. So your YouTube channel can reach from here to here like this. First of all, you have to know what you have to make on YouTube. You have to go in the right direction. Look, the things I am going to tell you, you can become a hero from 0. You can get views in millions. But you should also know what topic you have to make the video in. You have to run in this lane. You don't have to run in such a lane that at the end there is a wall and the lane ends. So I will tell you how I focused on my YouTube channel in my life and how I found out what topics I should make a video on. I will tell you which videos get the most money on which topics. If you are thinking with the mind of money that you have to earn money too, it comes the most in tech videos. It comes the most on gaming videos. If we talk about less, it comes the least on fashion videos. It comes the least on comedy videos. Even on vlogging, the RPM is running very low now. So I thought, what should I do? Which topic should I make? Which one should I make? So my belief was one thing, that if I catch any topic, that I caught the topic of comedy videos, caught the roasting videos, caught vlogging, caught tech videos, caught gaming, then there will be only one topic left.
Why shouldn't I catch all the topics? I make news videos. I make videos on skincare. I make videos on tech. I make gaming videos. I make informative educational videos. So many different categories. I make all the videos in all the categories. And after seeing me, I saw many anchors on TV. ZTV till date. There are so many anchors. As soon as I make my videos, they took my wordings and made their channel. And from 0, they have to 3 million followers by doing this. So the way I had adopted, many people have understood. So I have come to tell you openly that you can also do this thing. That not only choose one topic, make videos on all topics. Whatever you are facing, everything. Like the name of my channel is The Helping Hand, that you will get such videos where you can make videos on all-rounding topics. So you make a channel where there are informative videos. Otherwise, if you have an interest in dance, then make a dance video. But if you don't understand, then this is an idea. You will get money on this, and you will become a hero from 0, and you will also have a lot of followers. And most importantly, when you're going to make a video, then where to choose the topic. So you have to see what is the trending topic. On which thing should I make a video? So I will tell you the trending topic. What video did I make in real today? So I made the video of Salman Khan's arrest. Who did this outside the house? So after that, one of those people died. So I made this video, and within half an hour, 1 million views came on Instagram Reel. So if you make a video on trending topics, then it hits a lot. It works a lot. Like I just brought the vaccine. So I made a video on that. So it hit a lot. So you have to catch trending topics. You have to catch searchable topics. Which is the most searched on the internet? The most searched on YouTube. If I talk about tech, so how to edit a video in mobile. So what do you have to do? Take a video editor. You must know how to edit a video. If you don't know, then learn it yourself and then teach others. So that video, how to edit video from phone, from Android phone, from iOS, or any application name, or KineMaster, or
Short. So if you make a proper video like this, then it will hit today, it will hit tomorrow also, and it will hit for 10 years. Because people have to learn for 10 years how to edit a video. Because new generation keeps coming. So you have to choose these topics also. How to glow the skin by staying at home, home remedies, or how to grow YouTube channel, or how to. There can be videos on how to lose belly fat. So there are many topics. So make videos on how to, on searchable topics, so that people will search these topics, and your videos will be suggested, and make videos on trending topics. This is also very important. Now you have to take care of SEO. SEO matters a lot in long videos. Let me tell you one thing. I am the king of short videos. I am the king of long videos. But I know little about short videos. That's why I am using this term. Because I don't use any caption. I don't use any hashtag in short videos. And I believe if you have power in videos, you have made videos informative. It is value-adding content. So people will follow you. Even if they don't love you, but they will follow you. They will follow you. So this thing, which is the weakness of people. What is the weakness of people? On YouTube, someone comes to watch fun videos. Someone comes to watch educational videos, informative videos. So make videos on those topics. This is the weakness of people. What is weakness? You are teaching them, but the weakness is to follow you. Daily they will watch your channel, and they will watch your videos. Today, you made a video on something. In short videos, I make videos on trending topics. Now I will tell you about long videos. If we think carefully, long videos are of 9 to 10 minutes. Don't make it too long, because when you make it too long, when you feel that people are with you
on the channel, and they can watch long videos, first make a habit of watching short videos for 5-8 minutes. After that, you should have a good thumbnail, no matter what you have in the video, but you can also clickbait. Clickbait means to clickbait. You should have a good thumbnail. Thumbnail editor takes 1,000 to 2,000 rupees to edit a thumbnail. So this is a very strong scene of thumbnail. The title of the video. You have to write it very well. Whenever you are going to choose a title, before choosing that, you have to write that topic on YouTube. And if you write the topic, then other people will have put the videos. Their tagline has become viral. According to that, you keep the tagline of your video, then this thing will be very useful. After that, tags and hashtags are also very important. Like you have made a video on glowing face, how to stay at home, or how to remove tanning from the face, or how to bring glow on the face. So a glowing face. These two terms you have. Rapidtags.io. There is another hashtag website. Click here. You will see the whole hashtag. Copy and paste it in your video. Paste it in the caption too, because the hashtag you write. Long videos. In short videos. I think, if you make a good video, it helps a lot. This hashtag you write in long videos. This also helps a lot. When someone writes a small word from that hashtag, then your video will be seen at the top. Then it will go in millions. More views will come, whether it is a short video or a long video. In a short video, starting 10 seconds. If you stop the public for 15 seconds. If you say such a hook point, that today is a very amazing thing. After today, my mind got disturbed. After seeing this topic, what happened? Let's see the next video. In a long video, you have stopped the public. How to stop the public in a video. I am telling you for the sake of work. Later it will be good. People will watch your videos. You have to keep the starting line energetic.
You have to express yourself. Well, in the starting, put all your life in the video. Slow in the middle, high in the middle. When you don't understand on which topics to make a video, on which topics not to make a video. There are 1,000 videos in front of me. You run reels till morning and evening. You keep watching till morning and evening. You have a different topics in your mind. The same thing. You see, Instagram shows you. You start watching those things. On which topics you want to make a video. 10 videos were suggested to you. Out of 10, you see 2-3 videos. Which one do you like? You have chosen a trending topic. Out of 10 videos, choose 3 trending topics. On that topic, if he told 2 things, you bring 20-25 new things. Make that video well in your way. You got a subtitle, the definition in it. Make it in your video. The video of the person whose topic was found. His video will be free. You will get such topics. Watch the video. Find out the topic. Go to that person's profile. You will get some idea. How can you work? If you like the video, tell me in the comment box. Which type of videos do you like? Tech videos. How to grow on YouTube. Love relationship videos. How to come out of breakup. Skincare videos. How to make glow on face. How to do tanning. How to do fat loss. I have videos on many topics. Educational videos. Educational videos. Inspirational videos. Motivational videos. Tell me, which one do you like? Take care. See you in the next video. Take care.